So, Group Star is all about redefining winning moments. So, can you share kung ano yung recent winning moment nyo dalawa apart from scoring the campaign, of course?
Well, yung pinaka-recent winning moment ko is 10 hours of sleep ako today. Yun ang pinaka-recent winning moment ko talaga. Pero to answer your question seriously siguro, for me, ang winning moment po kasi is kapag masaya yung puso ko, genuinely. It's not always about the big things. Sometimes the small wins matter more than the big things. Like my sleep, napaka-big thing na po yun sa akin.
It's the small wins.
Yeah, it's the small wins that usually matter. Sometimes it's more meaningful than the big wins that people can see. Yeah. Peace ko, yun ang biggest win. Protecting my peace.
Yeah, I think my answer is very similar to that because I've always been on the go. Like, I've been in the business for almost 25 years. Yeah, fetus pa lang ako nun. But, no, but I've always been running after something, maybe my dreams or, a hit movie or whatever. But I always forget to keep the balance. To have that time for myself, to shut down the noise. And now I get to do it. I get to keep the balance. And I didn't know how important it was until I decided to really just live my life in my own terms. So that's a winning moment for me.
Yes, thank you so much. Nico from the page.
Thank you.
Salamat, Nico. That's beautiful. It also reminds us to sit back every now and then, remind ourselves that the small wins actually matter. Walang bagay na rin. 10 hours of sleep? Wow.
Actually, guys,
That's a huge deal.
lalo na kapag super busy ng life lately, tapos nakakuha ka na sabi ko, yan ang jackpot.
Totoo.
I think that's what the pandemic taught us all.
Yes.
To pause. The beauty of not doing anything.
Yes,
The beauty of doing nothing.
Yes,
Totoo.
and learning how to take a break for your own
That's
good.
right. And appreciating that slowdown, that calm. Beautiful. All right, more questions, please.